Let's demystify working twisted stitch cables, also known as Bavarian stitch cables. In this video, we're going to talk about left purl twists, also known as a left cross or a front cross. So what we're going to do is we want this stitch to travel to the left. The reason it's called a left purl twist is because there's a purl stitch involved. It's not two knit stitches, it's a knit stitch and a purl stitch. So in a left purl cross, we're going to grab our right needle tip, and going from behind, we grab the second stitch. Once we have the second stitch nice and secure, we push these a little forward, and then we pinch the base of this stitch against the needle with my thumb, pull the left tip out, grab it with the left needle tip, bring this one around and forwards, and slide this stitch onto the left needle tip. So now we have two stitches in a different order, and all we have to do is knit them as we see them. So we purl one, then we knit this one through the back loop. Let's see that again. Purl over to my next cable here. So I'm going to go in through the back of the second one and secure that stitch. Then I push everything towards the edge to make this a little easier. And I pinch the right two stitches with my thumb against the needle, grab that free stitch with the left needle tip, bring this one around, place it on the needle, and now I work them as I find them. Purl one, knit one through the back loop. So now these two stitches have moved over, and that's how we get this kind of detailed work. Don't forget to check out the other 3 videos I have about the other common twisted stitch cable types. I hope this has helped. Learn more about me and my patterns at imaginelandscapes.com.